Hello YouTube. Right, we've got to get this thing back together. Now the first thing to do is I'm going to put on the wheels, get all the wheels back together, and then I can flip it over and work on it on a better base. So what we've got to do is undo these 4 screws as before. Don't really have to undo them. Now I've got a feeling I'm going to be missing a screw in this one because I'm missing a screw. I have no idea where it's gone because I put them all in a jar. Pop them 2 out. Pop them up there. Right, this, from watching the previous video, goes that way up. There we go. There we go. Pop that. There we go. So as you can see, the 2 white pegs are holding it into position. It goes that way up into the centre. It goes down like that. Excellent. You're in business. So pop them 4 screws back. That's that. Now put the wheels on. So take that off there. 2, 3. So the wheels go on, you got it that way, they go on that way, slide on. That one's a wider one, so that goes on to there. And then the one with the hex key, where are you? Where are you? That one's the hex, goes in the middle. That's hex key, that goes that side. So this then goes on to there like that. So if you have a look, you can see how the white is sticking out. That one needs to be screwed in first. There we go. And then we take our side units, pop them in, hold it, and then pop our screws back. Excellent. Now let's do the other side. There we go, nipped up, and we've got wheels. We're on wheels. Right, next thing to do is to put the speaker back where it came from, as I put a little protective film around it when I, let's see if I can actually get the thing off now. Careful, there we go. Speaker goes on there, and the light went on there, didn't it? As you can see, I've cleaned up the electrics quite a bit. It's looking a lot neater than it was. Let's pop that there. Pop the speaker on. Speaker goes there. Take these 2 off. That should hold the speaker in place, as well as we've got the light there as well. There we go. Now that's got to go into there. So what we've got here is the don't rip, don't rip, don't rip. There we go. Take this out. There we go. Right then, so that has to go that way onto there. It's got the 2 guiding pins. which is awesome. See if we can actually get the pins to settle. Finger tight. Finger tight. So you can't get the screwdriver in there, but I think that's going to be tight enough. Now what we've got to do is get this bit into, where's the switch? Is it there? Is it through here? Yeah, it's through there. So we can now pop that down onto its thing, pop that through there. Try and line up all the holes. Oh, we're on, we're on. Oh, this is good. Now, switchy, switchy. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Right, okay. So that then goes into there. It was one screw, wasn't it? Goes through that pin there and that pin there. So you got the 2 pins. You got the little LED that goes up there. Power on. 1 screw. Let's have a look at our screws. It'd be one of the small ones, I think. So what we've got to do is pop that on there. See that way? Yep, that way. That goes into the, no, other way up. Goes through. Goes through the hole. Click it through. That moves. Excellent. Goes into the small ones. It is one of the small ones. Yes, it's one of the small ones. That's a good sign. Right. So they now all click into those little holes there. That's what that did. Before we put the rest of it together, let's test it. 3 batteries. Hopefully the batteries won't fall out. Clear. I think cleaning electrics has done something to it, and I'm going to show you why. Because I did it 12, we should have done it at a complete right angle turn. But if I do what happened now? What's happened there? Alright, yeah, right. No, it's fine, it's fine. It does it on a base 12 system. But yeah, it's working. Always a scary bit. Now to click everything back together. So let's turn it over and put in all the, what's this? The batteries are quite old as well, so that might be playing up. So now we've got to put all these back. I've got one. They're all the same, all the same. That's all that, that's all that. Pop this back on. These screws don't come out, so basically they've been painted black, but I don't think that matters. There we go. So it's starting to look pretty good. Right, so that clips into there. Was it the other end? No, it clips into there. There we go. They clip into there. That's clipped in. This is there. This goes there. Other way. That's it. Nope, other way around. That's better. That's in there. And then, that's cool. That slides and clips into wooden peggies. It's not going to go in, is it? It wants to. We'll click that in later. Right then, let's test it. I'm going to test. It should go forward 1. So we do forward. Press it on. Good memory. Forward 1. Then we're going to do a full 360s, which is right 28. And then we're going to get it to fire 4 times and go. That works. It works. It works. There we go. It works. Right, that's it. All done. See you next time, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, YouTube.